My name is called Yusuf Horre Ismail, and I'm the owner of the gym. This is the only gym in the Dab refugee camp. Strong. Strong. Okay, I'm a refugee. I become this camp in 1992, and still I am here. I was an age of 3 years old when I fled from Somalia to here. Now I'm 25 years old. Marital status, I am married, and I have my wife, and I have my first baby girl called Sameeyay, and my wife called Soomaali. I opened this gym May on 1st, 2012, and I am the instructor. Strong. In order to become very healthy and to become very strong, to build my body. Okay, that's why I come to the gym every day. I have my friends who went to US. They help me to buy this gym, and they offer me some little money, and I was having the rest. That's why I come up to this gym. I come up with the idea of promoting the youth that's lacking of body building, health. And that's why I started gym. People having some disease like high blood pressure, they are free. Diabetes, they are free. In where this 70 years, 60 years, 50 years, they are free. Yeah, yes. And some like people like me who is always working under these NGOs, they are paying some little money, like 500 per month. Strong. 20. The young generation right now, they are dying for blood pressure, diabetes. In order to make them healthy, that's why I come up with this idea and I make this gym. My plan to expand this gym is that although I am missing some equipment in this area, like a bike gym, like some other materials, and especially aerobic, I will start on July. Boxing, I will start on August, and karate, I will start on October. I like to become like Schwarzenegger, the best bodybuilder in the world. So like John Cena, okay, like Van Damme. My dream is to become an actor. That's why I am building my body, to become like Schwarzenegger, that's a Californian governor. So I like his movie because he's very strong, very nice in gym. That's why my future will be like that man, if possible. Yeah.